Yo, what's going on YouTube? My name is Todd with xking.com. Hit you with a review of this bar and chain oil. I really can't pronounce it. I guess Husqvarna. Husqvarna. I think I pronounce it. Forgive me if I've messed that up, but this is the oil chain I got from Amazon. This is like the cheapest one they had up on the store. I think it was like $6, $7 for a quart of this bar and chain oil. And this I mainly use this for my chainsaw. And I have the Works chainsaw, and I filled it up, and you see it's halfway gone. I cut a lot of stuff down though, so that's why it's full. This chainsaw is pretty nice. It's small and it's nice to cut down stuff like I can cut down. But back to the oil. All season performance, reduces friction and wear, high track, reduces slime, all weather formula. I used it in my chainsaw, and it works pretty well. I don't see a problem with it. It does oil my chainsaw. My chainsaw is always oiled up when I use it. So the question is, would I buy this again? And the question is yes, I would probably buy this again. I don't see no big difference in it. Maybe I had another tool that used bar and chain oil, I would use some different aspect of it, but I like it. It works. You get it from Amazon. If you buy this chain, if you need a small chainsaw, I'll link below the video. Electric chainsaw. You need something small, compact to cut down small bushes and limbs. It uses bar oil chain. You have to put the oil in here. I'll link this chainsaw below. I'll link this oil below because this goes great with it. So that's it for the review. It works. I like it. The chainsaw symbol. It goes through your chainsaw. It works. It's like $6 for a quart. Not too bad. And this probably lasts me a long time, you know. But that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. Share the video. And I'll see you next time.